Hi, welcome to Spanish class. My name is Sally Schroeder. I am new this year to LCA. I have been teaching Spanish to high school and middle school students for 15 years. I have my bachelor's degree and I have my master's degree in Spanish education. I am originally from North Carolina and I am not a native speaker. I am American. But I have traveled to many Spanish-speaking nations and I have lived for short periods of time in 3 of those countries, most recently in South America. I speak Spanish very clearly with no particular accent from any country. I am sorry that I couldn't be with you tonight for the LCA curriculum night, but I am an adjunct professor of Spanish at Strayer University in Atlanta. Currently, I teach a class on Tuesday nights, and I apologize that I won't get to meet you tonight. And if you have any questions for me, you can email me at sallys@lcalions.com. Let me tell you a little bit about Spanish for 6th grade. Our book is called Paso a Paso, and the textbook is located in your student's iLearn account. They should also have downloaded the book on their device. For the first week of class, we studied Spanish-speaking countries. I opted not to give a test on the material because we hurried through it kind of quickly. For this second week of class, we have been studying the Spanish alphabet. We just had our first official Spanish test yesterday on alphabet, spelling, and sounds. Eventually, these tests and quizzes might be taken on iLearn. You will see announcements about class on iLearn. We will be learning Spanish related to countries, alphabet, colors, days and months, numbers, greetings, school supplies and classroom objects, leisure activities, and body parts. We will also have various projects throughout the year. Also, on a weekly basis, we will have speaking activities, listening activities, partner activities, and other fun games and cooperative type of learning. Your son or daughter may have mentioned that we have something called a stamp sheet. The stamp sheet is how I grade participation in my class. This is what the stamp sheet looks like. I have covered up a name. Students will get stamps for answering questions in my class and anytime they participate in class in various ways. At the end of the day, I stamp their sheets to verify their points. Students will never take these sheets home. These sheets will stay with me. Students will be graded on their quizzes and tests, projects, and daily participation. This class is taught in Spanish as much as possible, but since this is an exploratory Spanish class, English will be used when needed to assist in students' grasp of the content. If you have any additional or private questions for me, please be sure to send me an email. Also be sure that all of you have signed your name on my attendance sheet for tonight. Thanks so much, and I look forward to working with you and your student this year.